Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. By the way, I am wearing a shirt. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Irania. So welcome to my channel. For today's look, we are doing a prom makeup tutorial. I am using a lot of affordable products that you can definitely go pick up at your local Ulta or your local CVS. I'm going to be using the Colourpop Cute AF palettes for today's look. This pigmentation of the eyeshadows is... Before I get into the tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below what you guys think of this look. If you guys want to see how I created this prom affordable makeup tutorial, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by using the Loreal Hydra Renewal Moisturizing Cream. This moisturizing cream you can actually use under your makeup as well. So I'm actually gonna use this as my primer. And I'm also going to be spraying my face with the Badescu because this is a great facial spray and it's good also to prime. Since I am going to be using glitter today, I feel like glitter is appropriate for prom, or actually I might use a little bit of glitter today. I'm not sure. It depends, but I am going to be using shimmer and I don't want any fallout to follow my foundation, especially if you're going to prom and then let's say you put on your foundation and then some fallout falls on your face. You don't want to end up wiping off your foundation and then starting all over again. So what I do is I apply the foundation on my forehead and then I do my brows and then my eyes, which is I find much easier. To apply my foundation today, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Expert face brush. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. So once I apply that foundation on my forehead, I'm actually going to go in with my Miliani Pomade. This is the Stay Put Brow Color in dark brown. I am extremely impressed with this pomade and I feel like I'm definitely going to be using it more. It's so good. Like, do you guys see this pigmentation? And it was so easy to carve out my brows. I definitely recommend this pomade if you are looking for a brow product. So for concealer today, to carve out my brows, I'm extremely excited to be using this product today. This is the Makeup Revolution Concealer. I actually got the shade C5. So I hope that this shade is not too light. Let's say if you don't want to try out the Makeup Revolution Concealer. I definitely swear by this concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm just going to use this one. This is the Sigma Small Angled Brush. This is the E65. Wow. This concealer is blending out really nicely. I'm actually going to be applying the concealer all over my lids because I'm going to use this as my primer. You can use any concealer that you like. You don't have to use this one specifically. I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow, and for today I'm going to be using the Colourpop Cute AF palette. I didn't want to do anything with color because not everyone has the same color dress. So I felt like this vibe was very versatile. To start off this look, I'm just going to take my Sigma Tapered Blending Brush. This is the E35. And I'm going to be using this shade right here to set my concealer. So I'm just going to be applying this shade all over my eyelid. I'm going to be using this orange one right here because it's literally screaming at me. This shade is actually really pigmented and it's blending out really nicely into my crease. Alright, I just applied a little bit of that yellow shade above the crease just to blend it out a little bit. I originally wanted to apply that yellow shade first, but I was so excited to use the orange shade that I forgot. So I'm actually going to take that red orangey shade and I'm going to be applying this right on top of the first orange shade that we applied. I'm just taking a little bit of that yellowy shade just to blend out the crease. So now taking the dark brown shade, I'm actually going to be applying this on the outer corner of my eye. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like as I was blending it out, it got really splotchy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fix it with my Morphe 350 palette. I'm sure you can create this look with this palette as well, but I wanted to try out a new palette. So you see, that's why you shouldn't try out new things during prom, because you'll get something like this. I'm actually just gonna use just any brown shade from the Morphe palette. So I'll probably use this one. Once I have like my glitter, my lashes on, that's when I really go back in and add some more pigmentation to the shadows. So if something doesn't look complete right now, just don't worry, we're gonna come back to it. But I'm actually gonna go back in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics brush in number 18. I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu facial spray just to spray some on my concealer brush. And then I'm going to be dipping into this gold shade. You literally don't even need glitter or anything because this shadow is incredible. But you know, it's prom, you need to be extra as hell. So I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the BH Cosmetics Glitter Collection Loose Glitter. I'm just going to apply just a little bit of that glue very sporadically because I don't want to be precise with the glitter. I'm just trying to enhance the pigment. I'm going to be applying the Ardell Mega Volume Lashes. This is in the number 252. They're very wispy and very full, so I think these will look perfect for this eye look. So I'm just going to be applying my foundation on the rest of my face. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Revolution Concealer in C5. So to blend out my concealer, I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge. I'm literally so freaking impressed with this concealer. Oh my god, it's super full coverage. I didn't have to bring the concealer down here. I could have just ended it right here, but I just got carried away. But oh my god, this concealer just blended out so beautifully. It's definitely full coverage and it definitely reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm actually going to be cream contouring a little bit today, so I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Cream Contour Kit. I'm actually going to be mixing this shade and this shade together because I feel like this shade is too orange for me right now. And then to blend it out, I'm using a Coastal Scents stippling brush. I've had this brush for so long, so I'm not sure if they still have it on their website. So I will definitely mention one down below if I could find one that's similar. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the RCMA No Color Powder. And the reason why I'm using this powder is because I cannot find a loose setting powder that is really good for my under eyes. Because like I feel like every drugstore like setting powder I've ever used has given me like flashback, and I don't want to recommend a setting powder, just a random one, because what if it gives you flashback? So I don't want to be the reason why you guys have a white cast on your face, but it is affordable if you want to compare it to the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have really bad smile lines, so I'm just going to apply some in this area as well. I'm going to take my Sigma tapered highlighter brush. This is the F35, and I'm going to be like pressing the powder into my skin and then gradually like take off the excess powder off my face. Taking my Morphe M530 brush, I'm going to be using my NYC Bronzer in Sunny. This is my favorite bronzer from the drugstore. So I know you guys seen this product before. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution matte blush in Fusion and my Morphe Y5 brush. And I'm going to be applying this onto my cheeks. Oh my god, I might have applied way too much. And then I'm going to be taking some RCMA powder just to clean up the contour. So I'm going to just let that sit under my contour for a little bit. And I'm actually going to be moving on to my bottom lash line. The same order I applied my eyeshadow on my eyelids, I'm going to be doing that same order on my bottom lash line. Oh, I forgot to do highlight. I'm going to do highlight after I do my lips. So I'm just going to apply my NYX Lip Liner in Natural. I'm actually going to be using my NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. I'm going to be setting my makeup with the Mario Badescu facial spray. For today's highlight, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in... what shade is this? Golden Flower Crown. Alright guys, this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this affordable prom makeup tutorial. Like I said in my last video, I hope you guys enjoy your prom. Make sure you take lots of pictures, and if you do decide to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram, or you guys can DM me your photos. I would love to see your recreations. Please do not forget to subscribe, of course, and like my video, and also leave a comment down below of what you guys think of this tutorial. Yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video.